Do you want to be fast? Are you really slow at shifting like me? Are you tired of taking L's left and right? Do you like better times? Well, today we're gonna fix that. I've been waiting to install this for a little bit. Honestly, these are one of those installs where I have never installed on my car because it is my daily driver, but if you did not watch my last video, I no longer daily drive the 370Z. So I figured I'm a granny shifter. Now it's the time to kind of help that in a way and install a good quality short shifter from Cube Speed. Really cool decals. Ooh. Dude, I'm just talented. Look at that. One-handed, baby. Put it right here. There you go. And I'm honestly very curious to see how high quality this is. They talk really highly of their product. I've seen a lot of great reviews online, which I'm very happy to see. So I'm happy, excited, but also nervous because short shifting can either make or break a car in a way. Too short of a throw and that's not really what you're going for. You're not gonna have fun driving the car even though you don't daily drive it. If it's just perfect, you're gonna shift fast, beat every single Mustang that has been embarrassing you in front of your girlfriend, and you're gonna have fun with it. Ooh, here we got they also went ahead and sent out the shifter. Also, if you want to get this product, I will leave a link in the description and hooking you guys up 10% off with code DannyZ10. Hit that on your checkout, you will get 10% off the products. Let's go. This is the nut to secure it in place. I'll probably pick that up later. Probably not. I'm actually getting really excited. You got the bracket with the 3 bolts. Here we got part of the shifter. This is heavy, so we get a. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit of a heavier shifter as well, which is a good thing. It makes shifting much smoother, so you have a little more weight to push through the gears. Here we go. Ooh, that is a good. It's good weight. We got another plate. It's nice engraved cube right there. Final package. Final package is indeed the shift knob assembly itself. Very nice quality right here. We're probably gonna go ahead and grease it up a little bit before putting it in, but ooh, I'm liking it. I really like it. Oh, we got the instructions. Bam, bam, bam. We appreciate the colored instructions, but you know me, we'll figure it out. If we break it, hopefully not, but we'll figure it out. And if you're new here, first, my name is Danny, but it is going on a 2009 boosted Nissan 370Z. All right, we gotta move the car into here, and we actually gotta jack it up because there's one bolt. Actually, let me show you. This is actually a shifter from the exact same transmission, the JK Trans, the manual transmission that I'm using for my VR Swap 350Z. So the shifter's out right now, but there's one bolt that's on that you can only get to from the bottom of the car, right on top of the drive shaft, which goes across here and kind of just holds everything down. So that's what we gotta jack up the car. Sucks, but we just have to. Watch what happens when she sees that I'm gonna start the car. And wrap. I'm still finding wrap. But how are you guys doing? Are you guys doing good? How's your life? How's the family? How are the kids if you have kids? I'm doing great. Been pretty happy lately. Channel's doing good thanks to you guys. A lot of great things I'm looking forward to, thankful for, always praying, always thanking God for all the blessings. And yeah, all right, let's get back to the install. Love you guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Too easy. Too easy. Woo. Another thing I want to say, I did measure the length of the OEM shifter, and then I'm going to measure the length of the aftermarket shifter. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put like side by side the difference in the length. Now we gotta raise the boot. We gotta raise this nice little boot. Here we go. Then you gotta take off 2 and then 1. Keep in mind, there's gonna be a spring that's gonna wanna literally shoot to your face. So when you get the 3 bolts out, just bring this up slowly. Woo. All the assemblies out. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, we had to finish the next day just because I had to do some editing, more filming, but we're back. Dropping this in. Obviously, the spring goes right under here. You guys will see in the little time lapse. And then we gotta start putting all the plates in place, which the logo goes facing down because this is the reverse gear lock, which we can also adjust a little bit. I might actually look at the instructions for that. And if you're installing this, you're gonna figure it out, but the reverse lockout goes to the right, and then this little bump goes right into that little hole. Guessing you gotta push it down. Yep. There you go. Ooh, I like that. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I'm supposed to bolt this down with the bracket. What's up, guys? My name is Danny. Welcome back to another episode of I'm installing things I have no idea how to install, and I'm kind of an idiot. They actually made it very nice where this little thing right here, it shifts left and right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bolt down the bottom bolt so we can actually use the shifter, and then we're gonna go into gears and make sure that it goes in reverse perfectly. And when I go into third, it doesn't try to go ahead and go in reverse. Although here I think is perfect, or it might have to be a little more this way. So when I go down, it kind of clamps in. It's not doing that right now. So we're gonna bolt down the bottom first. We're pretty much like 40% done. No, whoa, like 90% done. Let's go. Okay, we got the bolt in. That was honestly kind of, actually that wasn't too bad. It probably took like what, 3-5 minutes. So far that's pretty much the whole installation. Obviously we're gonna put back the shifter and all that, but compared to when I installed the short shifter on my twin turbo 300ZX, that literally took me a full day, and this is taking me max 1 hour. Whoa, what the? Okay, it's not even tying in yet. I gotta make sure that the, let's see, reverse lockout. Oof, nope, it's not working, so we gotta move more this way. What the heck? Here's the problem that we're running into right now. For the reverse lockout, whenever I'm trying to put the shifter down, it's not going down all the way to get under the locking little bridge. And I'm really not sure why. Very weird. I don't know if I installed something wrong up here. I'm probably gonna take everything apart real quick and see. Okay, literally like 30 minutes later, like I said, I have 2 of these transmissions, so I have the shifter out of the other one. I literally changed the springs, and I think I just mixed up the springs when they were out over there on top of the table. And well, now the bolts are tightened up, and it does go all the way down. If you guys remember before, it didn't really want to go down, but now it actually is working properly. So I think we fixed the issue. We're gonna go ahead, get under, install the bolt that I hate again, and then come up here and fingers crossed, praying to God everything works good. I don't think there's a problem with the shifter itself. I think it was just I either put the spring on the shifter incorrectly, or I literally mixed both springs. I don't know, but let's get it. Okay, basically what I'm gonna do, I have high strength, which is the red one, but I'm gonna use a tiny little drop because I still want to use Loctite. I don't have the medium strength, so I'm just gonna use high strength. And well, if I ever gotta take this off, I'm gonna hate myself. I really am. So this nut right here, like I was saying, is to adjust the height where you want the shifter. So obviously the more up the nut is, the less you can twist this down. But I actually want a lower shift knob, probably lower than the one I had before. So we're probably gonna like max it out, or maybe not too much, maybe just like that. We tighten the top, and then we're gonna grab a wrench, tighten that up right there. 6 gear, fifth gear. Perfect. There we go. Yes. So when putting on the shifter, I realized that the boot would be hanging really low like that, and it was gonna look mega ugly. So what we did to fix it was I grabbed the washer big enough for it to be able to hold up the boot and big enough for it to obviously go through the shifter, and this actually fixed it. That worked much better than I wanted it to. Woo. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so buttery. There's no way. Yo! Here's the thing, the only short shifter I've ever installed was in my 300ZX. That short shifter felt clunky, it felt aftermarket. Even I felt some short shifters and they just don't feel right. I've been driving them for like 20 minutes now. This feels very, very, very OEM plus. Like the shifting just, it feels so OEM and not notchy at all. I mean, this is just literally perfect. And I promise you, like, I approve. This is great. It's not extremely short, but it's short enough to like where you notice it. I mean, oh, this is so perfect. This is perfect. You might think that shifting quick and banging gears might be a great way to test out your short shifter. No, traffic is. No, why they gotta come this way? Oh, there's a sheriff. I'm over here downshifting next to a cop. Yikes! Third gear. Oh, the cop is like right back there, and I'm honestly scared of this cop. So I'm like shifting at 2,000 RPMs. After an extremely long ride and traffic jam, I can assure you, I was kind of skeptical at first, but this shift knob is absolutely, or short shifter, it's definitely it. It passes the test. Absolutely love it. If you guys want to check it out, link will be in the description. I love you guys so much. Smash that like button, subscribe. My name is Danny, and this is my 370Z. Now, this is gonna help our granny shifting. So if you want to see hard pulls, subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff. I don't know. Peace. I love you guys. Yeet.